Ideal replacement. This headlight bulb matches the fit and function of the original part. Durable construction, made of quality materials to seal out dust and moisture. Effective solution. Preserves the integrity of the headlight assembly when the original part is missing or damaged. Quality tested. This part has undergone try-on testing to ensure a quality fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This replacement headlight bulb cap matches the fit and function of the original part. Made of quality materials to seal out dust and moisture, this cap restores the integrity of the headlight assembly when the original part is missing or damaged. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my Hyundai Sonata Limited 2012 perfectly. Fits just like the other dust covers on my car despite the description saying it wouldn't fit. I highly recommend it as it is literally like the same thing and my headlights are now protected from moisture and dirt.